Hello and welcome to Airplane Chefs. My name is Sky, and I'll be helping you here. First, let's prepare the burgers. Tap here. Now place trail mix on the cart. While the burgers are being prepared, let's take a look at the passenger cabin. These passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great! Let's get back to the galley and refill the cart. The burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and serve the rest of the passengers. You have unlocked a lemonade dispenser. Tap to put the glass into the dispenser. Wait a few moments. Done! Tap to put it on the cart. Now drag it to the tray. Great! A burger will taste much better with a drink. Trail mix can be added to the tray too. Let's try it. You have unlocked garlic sauce. First, fill the oven with the burgers. Now, tap here to put the box on the table. Tap the box. Tap again to... Now get rid of the empty box. Looks like there's still some space left for more garlic. Empty the box into the cart and throw it out. There are some packets left in the box, so let's put it back on the shelf. That's it! This sauce is a great addition to the burger. You have unlocked chicken nuggets. Place them in the oven. Wait a bit for the nuggets to cook. The nuggets are ready. You can serve them to the passengers. You have unlocked sleeping pillows. Tap to put them in the cart. Let's move.
Hello?
Serve the pillow to this passenger.
Oh.
Pillows won't help you complete the level, but they will get you a lot of smiles. Once you've collected enough smiles, you can exchange them for gems. Kale salad unlocked. It's a great side for a more balanced meal. Grilled trout unlocked. It shares the oven with the burger. Let's put some grilled trout in the oven. Now, don't forget to cook some burgers too. Let's wait for a few seconds. Take your food out of the oven. Place some grilled trout onto the tray. Great. Now go ahead and serve it to the passengers. French fries unlocked. They use the same oven as chicken nuggets. Put fries in the oven. You can fit 2 portions on one rack. Place the nuggets too. Good job. When the fries are cooked, serve them with the main course. Cupcakes unlocked. Sweet. Our passengers will love them. You have unlocked the bacon fryer. Let's start by taking out a packet of bacon. We need some space on the table. Put this box back on the shelf. Now try again. Let's start cooking. Unwrap the bacon. The bacon will be ready in a moment. Done! Serve the bacon with a burger when needed. Hello and welcome to... Currently, we're